Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we have another gardening maintenance to show you. The project is just behind me, part of the project, because we have to trim some edges, we have to do some weeding, remove the weeds, we have to do also cutting some grass at the rear of the garden. So this is an exciting project. I hope you're going to enjoy it. As always, subscribe, give us a like, and share the video with those who are interested with property maintenance and gardening services content. So with no further ado, let's get started for this project. So guys, let me show you closely what needs to be done for this project. First we need to trim the edge. As you can see here, it's overgrown over the winter, so we have to trim it. And also on the gravel we need to remove some weeds, as you can see, and we have to do it all over this area. So at the rear garden we need to cut the grass. As you can see, it's a medium garden, we can see, and this has to be done. And also on the slabs, on the joint, we have to remove some weeds there. Yeah, so let's get started now. The two main tools we're gonna need for this project to do the maintenance is the lawnmower and the trimmer. And for that we need to fill them up with some petrol, and then we get started. Also some tips. Some may say it's just better to spray some weed killer on the gravel and then they will die off. But we find this way better to do, removing the weeds from the roots, because the weed killer are not really effective, because weeds always find a way to grow. Because they are growing on the road, on the slabs, on the paving. So using our tool to remove them from the root, that prevents them to grow for some time. But the maintenance in the garden is always the key. You know, you still have to maintain your garden to remove the weeds. So that's why we are doing, we are maintaining this garden today. Okay guys, the weeds have been removed all over the place, and now what we need to do, we need to start trimming the edges. So yeah, let's get started with the trimming of the edges. Oh, I just missed one here. Yeah, the weeding is done. Let's do the edges now. Now we're gonna put the dead leaves, the leaf that we cut, in the bin, and then we move to the rear garden to do the grass. So we clear the leaves. Now we move at the rear garden to do the grass. So guys, the edges of the grass have been cut. We did that for two reasons. First, you protect your lawnmower, and secondly, you do a professional job. So now that is cut the edges, we are ready to do the lawnmower, to use the lawnmower. So this is what we're gonna do now. Lawn this off, and then I can show you what was done in terms of the maintenance. So let's start doing the lawnmower. So guys, the maintenance is at this stage, the maintenance is completed. I'll show you after putting all the waste in the bin, what was done in terms of scoop, as I introduced to you, the project in the beginning of the video. So let's put this in the bin. I'll show you around what was done. So guys, this is what was done. We removed the weed on the slabs, there, and then we also did the lawn. We lawned the grass. So we cut the grass. As you can see, it's very neat. And I can show you also, after finish cutting the grass, we already have our friend visiting us, some birds, looking for some insects. I don't know if you can see the one over there. Sorry, I don't know the name of this bird, but if you do know, just leave that on the comment section, and you can see they are always looking for insects, after the lawn. All over here, as you can see, the weed was also removed on the gravel. And the edges was also trimmed. You can see it's very neat and straight. Yeah, so guys, thanks for watching the video. The project is now completed. I hope you enjoy watching it. It was a gardening maintenance project today. So we did weeding, we removed the weeds on the gravel, we trimmed some edges, and also we did some lawn at the rear garden. So I hope you enjoy watching the project. As always, subscribe, give us a like if you haven't done so yet, and also hit the notification button so you won't miss any of our future projects. So thanks again for watching the video, and see you for the next one. Thanks, bye.